Over the course of 3 movies, we will be looking at Covid-19. In movie 1, we examine the virus and the cells that make up our body. In movie 2, we will see how the virus invades our cells and makes us unwell. And movie 3, we will show how our cells can fight back. But a word of caution, science is always learning. There are things we still do not know about the virus, but we have a good idea and we are finding out new things every day. However, as we learn more, some of these details in this video may change. Always question things, always check the facts. The COVID virus is a round membrane envelope with particles called proteins sticking out of it like spikes on a hedgehog. If we sliced it open, we would see that the envelope and proteins surround the virus's genetic material. This genetic material contains the instructions on how to make more viruses. It is only 120 nanometers wide. The smallest unit on a ruler is 1 millimeter, and there are 1,000,000 nanometers in 1 millimeter. To make a virus particle as big as a Lego head, we would have to magnify its height by 108,000 times. If we magnify the Lego head by the same amount, it would be 1.4 kilometers high, a tower over the world's tallest buildings. So how can something this small make us so sick? As you know, a building is made up of a lot of bricks stacked together. Our bodies are a bit like that, except we are built out of cells, not bricks. Now a brick is, well, just a brick. But our cells are like mini factories. The main areas are the nucleus and the cytoplasm where all the cell organelles are. The nucleus contains our genetic material, and this contains all the instructions for the cell. The cell organelles do all the work and they get their instructions from the nucleus. We are made up of a load of different types of cells. Each cell knows what it has to do because they each have a nucleus to instruct them. Let's take a closer look inside the cell with our Lego magnifier to see how this works. Our Lego cell has a nucleus, a nuclear membrane, and a cytoplasm with lots of cell organelles in it. When a task has to be done in the cell, a special molecule is sent to the nucleus to get the instructions. Another molecule in the nucleus locates the correct genetic instruction, called a gene, and makes a copy and gives this copy to the waiting molecule. The original gene is called DNA and the copy is called RNA. The RNA is then transferred to a special cell organelle where it is used to make the molecules needed to carry out the task. The task might be to get oxygen from the blood, if it is a lung cell, or get energy from food, if it's a gut cell. So now we have been introduced to the COVID virus and the human cell. In the next movie, we will see what happens when the virus invades the cell.